Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP 3760, and I'm gonna show you how to install inks on this printer. To install inks, you just need to open the doors, of course, when printer is enabled. And as you can see, ink places are opened. And now we just need to install the inks. So I have no inks, unfortunately, so I can't show you how to do it. But you will have two containers with inks. One container with the black ink, you need to install it on the right place, and second container with the colored inks, 304, of course, too, and you need to install it here on the left place, and that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you, and don't forget to remove the plumb from new cartridges, from new inks, okay? That's it, bye.